Hello Lucy Squad, welcome back again. And just in case it's your first time to watch this video, my name's Lucy Kenga and welcome back. And today I have a cooking video for you guys, and today I'm going just to cook githeri. And githeri is a Kikuyu food loved by Kikuyus and everyone also in Kenya. So it's food made from maize and beans, and as you see now, I'm just removing the maize from the corn maize, and this is how I do it because it's hard to start. I just use this knife, and it's not a sharp knife, so I'm just creating my way there. Just this is how I do it locally because I buy my maize just around here, the kiosk, and this is how I do it. And this is the 3 corn maize. So I'm just going to finish this process, guys. Don't forget, guys, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share and subscribe too. So what I'm done, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this maize. This is 1 kilogram of maize. Beans. This is 1 kilogram of beans. So I'm just going to sort them out the way I always do, and I'm going just to mix them with my maize. You see they are dirty, so I'm just going to sort them and mix them, guys. That is githeri, maize mixed with beans and boiled, cooked together. So there are my maize and there are my beans. So I'm just going to add them until the way I want them to be, until the level of the beans I see their ratio, the same ratio with the maize. Or if I want more beans, I just add more beans because my family love githeri with a lot of beans. So I'm going just to add all of it, the 1 kg of beans. So there is my jiko, guys, and while I did the process, I've already put my pot there with my water in it. So my water was just getting hot. That's my water, and there's my jiko. So what I'm going to do is do this to the jiko, add more charcoal to it, and then yes, wash my mixture of beans and maize, and then put inside the pot with hot water and let them to boil. So I'm just going to, I've washed my githeri 3 times, and now I'm putting it there inside the pot and wait for them to boil until they cook. That's how easy it is to make githeri, guys, and it is very economical, very good for family. And if you want to save money with food, this is the nice food. You see, guys, they are boiling already, and githeri is almost there. So yet again I go and check my jiko, and that's how it is now. The charcoal are burnt out. So I'm just going, look at the fire, looks so nice and interesting. I'm just going to add more charcoal to the jiko, and yes, put back again my githeri for it to cook until it's soft and eatable. And there you go, guys. It's a very nice, delicious meal, githeri. And there again, I'm going to check, and now it's ready. You see, my githeri is ready. That's how I want it to be. So it's ready, guys. I'm going just to fry this and eat the rest, to put it in my fridge. So there guys, I've fried my githeri, and if you want a video of how to fry delicious githeri, let me know in the comment section down below guys. So this is my githeri, very yummy, very delicious, very healthy food guys. I love it. So the rest I'm going to store it away in the freezer and fry it, use it there next time.